Come here, doggy.
Do you need light?
Yes. What
She killing the dog, cuz.
No, I'm not. You look depressed. Take it off.
You do. Take the picture.
It's not a picture, it's a video camera.
Oh, you take pictures?
Stop playing on my purse.
You want it off, man?
Stop!
Oh, cool. Look what you doing to the dog.
Yeah, I saw your black ass.
What?
Look what you did to the dog. David, why you do that?
What?
No, she ain't taking it off this time. You suck, little girl. Go take it off. Where you going?